negative 3 times 12
Wait.
plus 1 times negative 5.
Where'd you get the 0?
Where did I get the 0? I got the 0 from the first row over here. These numbers by the middle column.
Didn't we just...
We did just use 0, 1, and 0, Nini.
Oh, so you use those exact same numbers, but
Again.
you make the little thing.
Different column
Stop.
on the other side.
Yeah.
So it's the same rows but different columns?
Same row. Okay, so the first column, which is vertical.
You make the dot.
I got it.
Yeah.
So you're going to use the first row with the second column, the second column with the second row, and then the third row.
I think you're saying it right, Nini.
With the third row with the second column, right?
Okay.
You know, can I come up and...
Okay, now I want to find this spot here, which is from the third row, middle column. So I use the third row in the middle column. Nimi, give me the numbers I use.
So negative 2 times negative 7,
Very
negative
good.
5 times 12, and then 3 times 5, negative 5. Is that how you're going to do it? Okay.
Yes.
Then I got it.
Okay, good. Eliza, you were speaking with confidence a moment ago. How do I get the row 1, column 3 single number?
Yeah, you're gonna write.
0 times 4
Yep.
plus 1 times 6
Good.
plus 0 times negative 5.
Excellent. Who's going to tell me how to get the row 2, column 3 one? Rodney.
6 times, what number is that? 5?
Which one?
Just kidding,
4?
4.
Yeah. My 4s look like Y's, I'm told.
Yeah, negative 3 times 6.
Plus negative 3 times 6. Excellent.
1 times negative 12.
1 times negative 12. Excellent.
Yeah, they do look like
Who's
one.
going to tell me my row 3, column 3 one? Amanda?
Okay, what are you on? Oh.
Row 3, column 3, answer number.
Oh, okay, negative. Just kidding, my hand can do it.
Micah, go ahead.
Okay, I'm going to attempt to do this.
Okay,
Alright, negative 2 times 4,
excellent.
plus 5 times 6,
Good.
plus 3 times negative 12.
Plus 3 times negative 12. Excellent. I think you guys are getting this. Okay, after this we'll go on to the next thing. Incidentally, these answers will be 0 and 0. Okay, that's going to get me just 3, just 12, and just 6. That one was fairly easy. This one is going to get me 30 minus 9 minus 4.
So 3, 12, 6.
17, is that? I think that's right.
25.
This one's going to get me negative 42 minus 12 more, minus 36, excuse me.
I got 25 for the
This one?
Oh.
I'm getting 30 plus negative 9 is minus 9. Bless you, plus negative 4.
Negative 83.
3, check my math.
Negative 83.
Negative 83, I'm trusting you. Okay? And here I'm going to get 24 minus 18 minus 12. Is that negative 6?
Yeah.
Made my 83 look like an 83. Okay, down here, I'm getting negative 10 plus 15 minus 12. So that's negative 7. Am I right? Okay, here I'm getting 14 plus 60 minus 15. 59, right? Yeah, okay. And now I'm getting negative 8 plus 30 minus 36. So that's minus 14.
Minus 14.
Yes, go get a drink of water really quickly. Brian, if you need to get a drink of water now, go do so.
Oh, okay.
Okay? All right, that's number 26. Take a deep cleansing breath.
Wait,
and
are
then
you
we'll
going
go
to
to the
erase
next
it right now?
I could start over here and leave
Please,
it up for a
because
minute.
I'm doing 24 and I'm doing pictures with it. But I'm
Okay,
gonna,
we got to start taking new notes down.
I will.
Okay?
I can multitask.
We'll see how
Actually,
that
no
goes.
brain multitask other than from
I recorded this. Was that right?
That's perfect. Yeah,
Okay.
excellent. Okay. Pardon?
No,
Hopefully by the end of the day. I keep getting,
Just sidetracked.
yeah,
How are you
my
doing?
department chair and dance team stuff, which I shouldn't let myself do. And I'm taking them home tonight. If I don't get them done this afternoon, I'm doing them at home tonight.
Give me your
No
notebook.
matter what.
I'll give them to
When
you.
I get my
Are you
notebook
switching boards?
back
Yes, I'm switching
tomorrow,
boards.
You have to let me take my notes.
Definitely.
Okay. Determinants.
No, while you're writing, let me write it in my notebook and then I'll-
Determinants. New notes.
I'm giving them back to everyone.
Okay, guys, starting something new. Determinants. Now, a determinant, the problem is, Actually, you guys would hate this. I only like teaching determinants under one scheduling pattern.
Wait, Mr.
I love-
Bell, though.
Yes, sir.
Shode is kind of in part of like the board's use, or should I just kind of block her out?
If you can, that'd be good.
Okay.
If not, don't worry. I don't think she's. Try to do me a favor and just don't turn
Yeah,
around and
I can-
smile into the
I can-
camera and say your full name, okay?
I can record.
All right. All right.
I can record.
That's all right. That would be real. That'd be a weird angle. That should be good. Okay, determinants. I used to like teaching them when I had a block schedule at one school I worked at, where once a week each class would meet for an hour and a half.
Oh my God.
Most times I didn't really like that in a math class. Honestly, I prefer to meet for shorter periods every day. But determinants one of the rare times where I liked it because there's not enough time today to both teach you how to find determinants and teach you what they are used for. So you're learning something today, and tomorrow you'll learn why. Today it's going to seem fairly random. Yes?
I'm still learning math.
Okay, well, we're going to move forward and you'll still get more time to practice that. We'll get more review at this.
Spend one more day on these?
Nope, I got to show you what determinants are today. Okay. Yes, sir.
What's the test?
Sometime next week, I'm still picking the day. We're getting a little worried on time before Christmas. Okay, a determinant. First off, a determinant is a single number derived from a matrix. The process by which we get determinants is going to seem random, but they are incredibly, incredibly useful.
Was it a term?
Yeah, determinant is a term, and it's a single number. It's not even a term. It's really just a digit. No, not digit. It's more of a numbers than that. I better just start showing you what they are. Possibly. Now, the determinant of a matrix, let's say a 2 by 2 matrix, A, B, C, D, gets its own symbol. And unfortunately, math repeats certain symbols, and that can get confusing. The symbol for a determinant greatly resembles an absolute value sign.
I can't see.
So if you see what looks like absolute value sign around an array of numbers, you're being asked to find a determinant. Okay, so that's the symbol of it.
Oh, I remember this.
So if on the next test, I don't give any directions, but I put a matrix, and instead of brackets, it has straight lines on either side, you are being asked to find the determinant.
Does that mean you can't find a negative?
Are you thinking discriminant from...
No, being absolute value is...
Oh, no, that's a good point. It looks like absolute value. It has nothing to do with absolute value. Isn't that great? Now, a determinant of a 2 by 2 square matrix is found by multiplying the two numbers in this diagonal and subtracting the product of the two numbers in this diagonal. So it is A times D minus B times C. And some kids symbolize it with a little mnemonic. They basically draw a gourd. You know what a gourd is? Hard-shelled fruit kind of thing. Basically, you put a diagonal down here and then back up this one. And that seems to help kids remember that you find a determinant by multiplying AD times CB.
I remember.
You did BC.
It does look a little bit like when you cross-multiply, doesn't it?
You did BC.
Yeah, then you can multiply in any order.
Make a difference.
No, doesn't make a difference. It does look like it, but it's not at all the same process. I know this looks like absolute value. It looks like cross-multiplication. It's not either. Isn't that fun? Okay. Yeah, so you always multiply the row 1, column 1 element by the row 2, column 2 element. And then you multiply the row 2, column 1 element by the row 1, column 2 element. And then you find the difference.
Are you cross-multiplying or subtracting?
You're subtracting the products. That's all you're doing.
What
So,
if there's 30?
excellent. We're about to do that. Okay, we're about to do that in a sec. Let's start with an example of this one first. So if all you see on the next test is 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1,